what's up guys? My name is Roman Graywall and today we're talking about OWASP Juice Shop challenges. Today's lesson is lesson 1, how to find the scoreboard. Now I always recommend you try to solve these challenges manually by yourself before going online on YouTube or finding walkthroughs, because trying to figure it out by yourself will make you that much better at hacking. Now I've included down below in the description on my GitHub profile, www.github.com/Roman Graywall, a manual walkthrough step-by-step tutorial on how to solve this challenge. In addition, I've also included a Python and Selenium script that automates the solution from front to back. And if you really want to get good at web application penetration testing, I recommend you write your own scripts in Python or some programming language that can interface with the browser to programmatically automate each solution to OWASP Juice Shop. Then you can go on my GitHub portfolio and cross-reference your solutions with the script I've written there. Again, the link is www.github.com/Roman Graywall. You can find the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. Lesson 1, how to find the scoreboard. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up OWASP Juice Shop in your web browser. Now you can see here I have the web app open in my web browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Inspect tab, and inside the Inspect tab, I'm going to click on Sources, and I'm going to try to search for any routes that can be appended to the end of the browser URL here that might lead to the scoreboard. So when I look in sources, I'll see there's a file called main.js, and in that file, I'm going to search for any type of functions that might redirect to scoreboard, and I'm going to search for any text that might redirect to scoreboard. So I'll enter Control F here, and inside the text search, I'm going to search for path. Now path might indicate any type of router functions that might contain any textual clues that would redirect to scoreboard. So I'm going to search around for path. It looks like we found some routes here that might contain the scoreboard route. So from here, I'll change the text search to score, and you can see right there, it'll show us path : scoreboard, which is just a key value pair of a route that feeds into a router function that'll redirect the browser URL to scoreboard. So I'll control copy the scoreboard text and I'll append it to the browser URL. I'll click enter and it'll redirect us to the OWASP Juice Shop scoreboard, which will solve this challenge. And this scoreboard is a really useful tool to have as you go along and continue solving OWASP Juice Shop challenges. You can filter by search, you can filter by difficulty, status, and tags. And each one of these challenges gives you a description on what you need to find in order to solve the challenge. And it'll also give you hints as well, which you can interact with if you're having any type of difficulty solving the challenge. Now, one other thing is that I have included Python scripts that will automate these solutions to OWASP Juice Shop in my GitHub portfolio, included down below in the description. And we can see that in action here. I have pulled up the directory where I have included the Python script, and if you go into the script, you'll see that it automates the whole test procedure. It'll ask you to input a search route, and then it'll search every single JavaScript file from the website, assuming that the user doesn't know which JavaScript file to search in. And if it finds a string, it'll append it to the browser URL and redirect the user there to solve the challenge. And we can see this in action if you run the script in your local Python environment. So we'll run the script. It's going to ask me to enter a search route. So I'll write scoreboard press enter. So what this is going to do here is click on this dismiss button. Then it's going to redirect to the scoreboard page to solve this challenge. Now, if you guys want to review the source code or check out the walkthrough for this challenge, you can check out my GitHub down below in the description, github.com/RomanGraywall. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me get on the algorithm. And I'll see you guys next time for another solution to OWASP Juice Shop.